For a man who has spent decades working hard and providing for his family, the early morning is a sacred time of absolute quiet peace. And at the center of this daily sanctuary is your morning coffee. It is the ritual that kickstarts your engine and sharpens your mind. But as we age, this beloved ritual often turns against us. Standard coffee becomes highly acidic, causing silent gut inflammation, heartburn, and a midday crash. Most men try to fix this by drowning their coffee in toxic artificial creamers or heavy sugars, accidentally destroying their physical health before 6 a.m. But there is an ancient 180 IQ biological hack that completely neutralizes the acidity and upgrades your coffee into a high-performance medicinal tonic. If you drop just one whole clove into your morning cup, an incredible biological reaction begins, and exactly 10 minutes after your first sip. When that single clove hits the hot liquid, a rapid extraction process begins. The intense heat acts as a natural solvent, unlocking a hidden payload. It releases a microscopic amount of a highly potent medicinal compound called Eugenol. This essential oil instantly binds to the rich fats in your coffee. Before you even take a drink, you will notice the aroma change. It becomes incredibly earthy, warm, and deeply soothing to your aging nervous system. Then you take your first sip. You are not drinking a flavored beverage. You are ingesting a highly concentrated, fast-acting biological repair tool. The eugenol instantly coats the back of your throat, bringing a subtly warming sensation that signals your body to drop its baseline stress levels. As the liquid travels down, the 10-minute biological countdown officially begins. The first massive shift happens directly inside your stomach, neutralizing a hidden threat. As the clove-infused coffee enters your stomach, the eugenol immediately goes to work, acting as a biological shield against the harsh acidity of the beans. Clove oil is a powerful anti-ulcerogenic. It stimulates your gastric glands to produce a thick layer of protective mucus, sealing your gut against irritation. Within minutes, the burn associated with morning coffee is neutralized. It balances your internal pH, preventing the silent acid reflux that often ruins a man's morning. You will feel a physical sensation of lightness. The heavy, bloated pressure that usually follows your second cup simply never arrives. Your digestive engine is running cool. You no longer need to rely on chalky antacids or chemical pills to enjoy your coffee. You have replaced a synthetic Band-Aid with a biological solution. But fixing your gut is only the foundation, because at exactly the 6-minute mark, the eugenol crosses the blood-brain barrier, triggering a massive surge in focus. As the clock hits the 6-minute mark, the eugenol enters your bloodstream and reaches your brain. You feel a sudden sharp clarity wash over you. It acts as a natural vasodilator. It relaxes the walls of your arteries, allowing a massive surge of oxygen-rich blood to flood your neural pathways. The morning brain fog that makes you feel sluggish and disconnected simply dissolves. Your neurons begin to fire with the speed and precision of a younger man. You will notice that you can focus on complex information without the usual mental fatigue. Your cognitive engine has just been switched to premium high-octane fuel. This is not the jittery, nervous energy of caffeine. It is the calm, steady, and commanding focus of a patriarch who is fully mentally present. But the biological payload isn't finished. Now the eugenol travels to your extremities, beginning the process of systemic lubrication for your stiff, aging joints. As the 8-minute mark approaches, the powerful anti-inflammatory properties of the clove reach the deepest parts of your skeletal system, targeting the biological rust. Eugenol actively blocks the COX-2 enzymes in your body, the exact same inflammatory pathways targeted by over-the-counter pain medication, but without the dangerous side effects. You will notice that the stiff, creaky feeling in your knees and lower back that usually takes hours to loosen up begins to fade almost immediately.
The clove acts as a systemic lubricator. It doesn't just mask the pain, it actively reduces the internal swelling that grinds away at your cartilage. Instead of starting your day hobbled by age, you step out of the kitchen with the physical confidence and functional strength of a much younger man. At exactly 10 minutes, the full biological payload has been delivered. Your gut is shielded, your brain is flooded with oxygen, and your joints are lubricated. To achieve this massive biological upgrade, you must execute the protocol flawlessly. A single mistake will ruin the taste and destroy the medicinal payload. First, never use powdered cloves. The powder oxidizes quickly, losing its essential oils, and it turns your smooth coffee into a bitter, gritty sludge. You must use exactly one whole clove. Look for a dark, intact head on the clove. That is where the highest concentration of eugenol is stored. Second, the temperature is critical. Boiling water destroys the delicate compounds. Let your black coffee cool for just 60 seconds before dropping the clove in. Once you drop it in, cover the mug with a small saucer for 3 minutes. This traps the volatile essential oils from evaporating into the air. After the steep, remove the saucer and let the biological countdown begin. It is a precise, simple ritual
Once the
that
10-minute
completely
extraction
revolutionizes
is complete and
your
the coffee
morning
is consumed,
engine.
a secondary, long-term biological defense system activates just in time for your morning. Standard, highly caffeinated coffee often triggers a massive cortisol spike. This forces your body to dump glucose into your bloodstream, causing a rapid energy spike. But what goes up must come down. That spike is the exact reason you feel a sudden, exhausting energy crash around 10 in the morning. The eugenol in the clove acts as a powerful insulin sensitizer. It forces that rogue glucose out of your bloodstream and directly into your muscle tissue. It completely flattens the blood sugar curve. It stops the biological rust from forming and prevents the roller coaster of anxiety and fatigue from ever starting. Instead of a temporary buzz, you secure a deep, unwavering reservoir of clean energy that carries you effortlessly straight through to the afternoon. As you step out of your front door to begin your day, the 10-minute payload enters its most critical phase, cardiovascular armor. For millions of older men, high blood pressure is the silent, terrifying threat that forces them onto a permanent cycle of synthetic medication. But the active compounds extracted from that single clove act as a natural, highly efficient biological pressure valve for your entire circulatory system. Eugenol physically relaxes the smooth muscle tissue lining your arteries, safely and naturally expanding your blood vessels to lower your systemic pressure. It also naturally prevents your blood platelets from clumping together, which dramatically reduces the daily friction and mechanical strain on your aging heart. You are no longer just hoping your heart holds up. You have actively equipped your vital engine with daily, unbreakable cardiovascular armor. But the most profound biological upgrade happens entirely at the cellular level. Cloves possess the highest antioxidant value of any natural spice on Earth. Every single day, microscopic free radicals bombard your internal machinery, causing the visible signs of aging and the slow, quiet decay of your physical strength. The extracted eugenol acts as a cellular iron dome. It actively hunts down and destroys these rogue destructive molecules before they can damage your DNA. By neutralizing this microscopic damage, you are literally halting the biological clock. You preserve your hard-earned muscle mass, your vital energy, and your natural testosterone. You are no longer slowly decaying. You are actively regenerating. This single morning habit provides more cellular defense than a handful of expensive synthetic multivitamins. Your biological fortress is now impenetrable. But to make this 180 IQ ritual work permanently, you absolutely must avoid the dangerous dosage trap. The greatest mistake a man makes is assuming that if one clove is good, 5 must be better. This is a massive amateur error. Eugenol is a highly concentrated biological active. If you drop 3 or 4 cloves into your morning coffee, you completely overwhelm your liver's filtration system. You also risk thinning your blood too rapidly. A 180 IQ Patriarch does not guess with his health. You must exercise calculated, stoic discipline. The golden rule is exactly 1 whole clove brewed into 1 single cup of coffee, just once a day. That is the perfect biological threshold. You are not looking for a massive temporary shock to your system. You are building the compounding daily interest of absolute physical superiority.
By respecting the dosage, you guarantee that this morning ritual remains your greatest asset, never a liability. But the morning is only the beginning. In just 10 minutes every morning, you have completely rewritten the rules of your own aging. You neutralized the gut-destroying acid of standard coffee. You flooded your brain with oxygen for razor-shot focus, lubricated your stiff joints, and activated cellular iron dome against microscopic decay. You didn't need an expensive doctor, a complicated diet, or a handful of synthetic pills. You simply leveraged a 180 IQ biological upgrade. This is what it means to be the architect of your own vitality. You actively refuse to be a fragile passenger in your own body. You have built the ultimate morning protocol to guarantee you remain the strong, capable, and fiercely independent leader your family respects and relies on. Your daytime engine is now running flawlessly, but the harsh biological truth is that a perfect morning means absolutely nothing without a perfect night. Your morning engine is now armored, but the moment you eat your first meal, you are walking directly into a trap set by the food industry. There is a silent, highly addictive poison sitting in your pantry right now that will completely neutralize the eugenol and instantly reignite your joint inflammation. It is called biological rust. If you do not cut the fuel supply to this microscopic parasite, your morning coffee ritual will be entirely wasted. You must flush this rust from your system. I have engineered the exact 10-day protocol to starve this inflammation and completely reset your aging body. This 10-day reset requires no counting calories and no starvation. It simply requires the stoic discipline of a man ready to reclaim his physical authority. Click the video on your screen right now to begin your 10-day biological reset, flush the rust, and finalize your transformation. I'll see you there.